Hey, what's going on, my friends? It's your boy, Mr. JR Breakthrough Wells. So excited to share some killer information on how to go from a low credit score, giving you high interest rate, low apartment living, no good job lifestyle, to an A1 credit score, giving you top picks of a financially secure lifestyle. Stay tuned.
All I do is hustle.
Welcome back, my friends. It's your boy, Mr. JR Breakthrough Wells. Inside of this video, I'm going to have one of my top agents share with you some very basic information as to how you can improve your credit score simply following a proven step-by-step credit restoration process. I'll see you at the end.
What's going on, brothers and sisters? This is Timothy Hughes. Listen, I want to talk to you guys today about your credit and about this program, the Fes Protection Plan, Financial Education Service. First, I want to say I hate when people try to manipulate, scheme, and they try to get you to opt in. Try to get you to do all these other things. They use tactics to get you to sign up. To me, at the end of the day, it's really truly about honesty, the truth, the facts, and helping people to be successful in life. And I advise you to follow people that knows the program, that follows the system, that is a trainer of the program. So it's always good to look at the originators, the founders, the CEOs, people that have the information, the knowledge that you need, that's willing to share it to you for free. Now, I'm not saying that you shouldn't have to pay for books or buy things to get the knowledge, but what I'm saying is there's free information out there and honest people that really want to see you be successful in life. And I really sponsor this man named by the name of Greg Ammerman. He's the director of training. He follows the system, and he teaches us as agents to follow the system. And he teaches people that's on the protection plan, the Fes Protection Plan, to follow the system. And that's what I'm going to tell you to do today. Quit listening to everybody else trying to tell you they'll help you with 1,000 leads. You'll make 10,000 in the first day, and all of that type of stuff. There's a lot of programs out there. But at the end of the day, if you just like me, you just tired of throwing thousands of dollars away to apartments and landlords and to people that's taking our money. We paying high interest rate because our credit score is low, with our car notes every month. And if you tired of that, if you one of those type of people, you just say, hey, I want to own my own home. I want to be able to have a low interest rate when I buy a car. I want to be able to get a high-end job that I'm dreaming to have. If you one of those type of people, today is going to be a great day to you, because I'm going to tell you about a program to help you to restore your credit. Okay? Because guess what? Your credit score is very imperative. Your financial health revolves around your credit score. Your financial security revolves around your credit score. So it is very important that your credit is accurate and as up to date as possible. See, this company, they work with credit attorneys and experts that use a proven system to eliminate any inaccurate, obsolete, or erroneous accounts. They'll teach you the exact information you need to provide to the credit bureaus to use the Fair Credit Reporting Act. Now, the Fair Reporting Act was passed in 1970, where we have that right to take advantage and to dispute the mistaken negative ratings that maybe prevent us from obtaining new credit, our new home, lower interest rate, avoiding high late fees, and saving money and advancing our credit opportunities. The Fair Credit Report has a 300-point system that the credit bureau, there's a 300-point system that the credit bureaus must follow by. If they miss one of those points, they got to remove those erroneous, obsolete, and inaccurate items. Trust me. Go look it up. So listen, I'm going to log in here because I want to talk about the Fes Protection Plan. So I'm going to log into my account. You'll get a website just like this. You put your username in, which will be your email. This is my email. And then it'll be the last four of your social security number. And you click sign in. Once you sign in, you'll get it'll pop up, come to your dashboard. It's taking some time. There we go. Okay. Have my credit process started? Yes. Now I just got started, so it's showing me where I have to send out my documents, the letters, and here's right here is where your beneficiary form, that's your will, power, and attorney. Okay. We're gonna let's zoom down a little bit. There we go. On this side, it shows you where your credit restoration, credit builder, credit attorney, smart credit, my care plan, life lock, FES debt zero, financial life box, life insurance, discount shopping, YFL family mint, RS discount card, FS travel and health insurance. That's new. So there's a lot of things that comes along with your protection plan, but the main thing you want to do is restore your credit. Okay, restore your credit. That's the main thing. They got an overview. You know, that's an overview of your credit. You know, okay. And you got your progress report. That's after your letters have been sent out and printed. You got the process. That's your result. Show you, you know, what's been going on with your credit, your FICO score. Is it moving up? Is it moving down? Items getting deleted, etc., etc. Okay, let's go back to the overview. Unfortunately, your dispute letters cannot be sent until we receive your identity verification document, which are required by the credit bureaus as proof of identity. So basically, once they get my documents, they'll start disputing items that's on my account. They dispute bankruptcy, liens, medical bills, child support, credit cards, foreclosures, bankruptcies, repossessions. They dispute whatever. The key is to get you up here in these 7s and 800s. Because if you're ready to get out of that apartment, start throwing $1,000 away, you got to get your score up here. You need to get it up. Now, I think the market in Tennessee, you got to have a 620 or a 640 to even get approved. But you want to get up here where you can lower the interest rate and get more, take advantage of more opportunities. Okay. Now, in the state of Tennessee, I believe it's 6 years. So if anything else is 6 years or after, that's on your credit report, and you haven't said and you haven't admitted that it's yours or whatever the case may be, you have a right to dispute that item, and they must remove that item off your credit report. Okay, so just putting that out there. So I'm just trying to show you the legitimacy of this company. Now let's go to the company a little bit. Let me go to home. Okay, this company is an A+ with the Better Business Bureau. A+. It's me right here. You see me. I'm an agent. I'll talk about that on another video. Right now I'm talking to you about the protection plan, because you need to get protected so you can get out of the apartment. Quit playing them high interest rate. Okay, let's go to the product. Showing you how to get signed up now, because I want you to sign up and don't procrastinate. Sign up today. Get started. Okay, you're gonna click enroll now. You're gonna put all your information in. You're gonna pay your $87. Put your credit card in. You're gonna click this. Click I have understand the terms and condition, and then you're gonna click submit. Once you click submit, you ready to get started. Now all you have to do is you're gonna get a website like this. You got to get over here and upload your documents. We got an email where you send the documents to. Just upload your documents. They will immediately, after 48 hours, get started on your protection plan.
Now, I'm sure you're like me, who has crummy credit from irresponsible actions and looking for a way out. All you have to do is simply click the link below in the description, fill out the basic information, then click submit, process your information, my friends, and that's it. You will be on your way to improving your credit score with the snap of a finger. If you have any questions or concerns, simply hit me on the phone, 425-213-0510, or email me at jrbreakthroughcoaching@gmail.com. I'll see you guys on the inside. Peace.